My name's Amy from Vanlux, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2018 Volkswagen Transporter camper. This vehicle has done just under 90,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can see that it comes with a fridge, as well as lots of storage above and below. We have our first of two double beds. This is a rock and roll bed, and as we'll be able to see from the pictures, this transforms into two belted seats, making this camper 5 belts, 4 berth. On the screen, using the buttons to the left, we can get quick access to radio, media and smartphone integration. On the right, we have eject for our CD, setup and sound. If we pan the camera around, we can get a good view of the pop top. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.